Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If your home gym is in need of some super high quality bumper plates, you have got to check these out from FEIERDUN. I absolutely love this set of 25-pound bumper plates for so many reasons. First of all, these are a 100% virgin rubber and they have no odor. So a lot of times bumper plates have a really strong rubber smell and it takes a long time for it to go away. These have no smell at all. They are pretty thin. So I have a 15-pound bumper plate that is about the same width, but this is an accurate 25-pound weight, but it's really nice because it takes up less space when you're trying to store it or when you're trying to load up your bar, so you can add more weight. I also appreciate that there is a stainless steel ring in the middle, so this helps to increase the longevity of your bumper plate and it doesn't get all scratched and banged up when you're sliding these onto your barbell. So this fits a 2-inch standard barbell, no problem, and I love that they are the standard diameter, so they match all of my other bumper plates as well. These are also made to be able to withstand drops even from high places, so they're not gonna bend or break or get deformed even with repeated dropping. They are built for it, they are built to last. And they also have a low bounce. These have a nice grip to them as well, so they have a little bit of a texture, so they're easy to handle and load up. They're also really nice because they have this raised lip around them, so you can hold on to them super well and then use them for other things beyond just loading up a barbell. The raised lettering is really easy to read, so you know exactly what weight you're grabbing, and they are also standard colors for bumper plates, so you're able to easily identify the weight in pounds and kilograms. So if you're looking to make some gains in your workout and you want to use bumper plates, definitely check these out. I really love them, super happy with them, and that is my point of view.